Welcome back to my channel Miss Medicine. In this video we will discuss about Bell's staging of NEC, and this is very easy topic but always asked in exam and very important topic. So let's get started. NEC means necrotizing enterocolitis. So we have 6 stages, mainly 3 stages, and each have 2 parts. 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A and 3B. We will discuss from the first sign, which is systemic sign. We will discuss intestinal signs and we will discuss radiological signs. So let's get started. First one is the first A. Systemic signs. Mnemonic is bad. It includes bradycardia. Sorry, heart rate. Yeah, it includes bradycardia. It includes apnea and includes temperature instability. Okay, next one is the intestinal signs. What we will see, and we can say that it's 1A stage. In the questions they can give you symptoms and we have to tell the stage, or they can ask you multiple choice questions also. So next, I'm sorry for the handwriting. Next is the intestinal signs. We will see occult blood in stool. Occult blood in stool. Intestinal sign. In first stage we will see occult blood in the stool, and radiological sign will be normal or mild ileus. Okay, and the next one is the first B, which has same symptoms. Systemic signs means bad bradycardia, apnea and temperature instability, but in the intestinal symptoms they have gross blood. They have gross blood in stool, and normal and a mild ileus in the radiological sign. Next stage is the 2A stage, which have the same symptom bad bradycardia, apnea and temperature instability. Next is the intestinal symptom, which have absent of blood sound, and in the radiological sign they have pneumatosis intestinalis. Pneumatosis intestinalis. And second B, 2B stage. 2B stage have more symptoms, means BAT plus MAT. MAT means metabolic acidosis and thrombocytopenia, and they have definite abdominal tenderness. Abdominal tenderness. But in the radiological signs, they have portal vein gas with or without ascites. With or without ascites. Next is the third A stage. They have they have MAT symptom. BAT means bradycardia, apnea and temperature instability. MAT means metabolic acidosis and thrombocytopenia, and this stage have and they have plus this symptom, which is acidosis, neutropenia and DIC. And intestinal symptom, they have peritonitis, inflammation and definite ascites. In 2B was maybe present or not, but they have definite ascites. In 3B should be present for the 3A. Next and the last stage is 3B. 3A में तो ascites होनी ही चाहिए. They should have ascites in 3A. And 3B, they have same symptoms, MAT, BAT, and they have all the symptoms, plus they have peritonitis, and they have in the radiological signs pneumoperitoneum. Pneumoperitoneum. Okay, let's do summarize it. 3 stages: 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A and 3B. 1A have bradycardia, apnea and temperature instability, occult blood in the stool, and they have normal or mild ileus. In the 1B, same as above, means bradycardia, apnea or temperature instability plus gross blood in the stool and normal or mild ileus. 2A have the same symptom, bradycardia, apnea, and temperature instability, absent bowel sounds plus pneumatosis intestinalis. 3B have the BAT plus MAT, metabolic acidosis and thrombocytopenia. Plus they have definite abdominal tenderness plus portal vein gas. Ascites can be present or without ascites. 3 have AND symptoms, BAT, MAT and means acidosis, neutropenia and DIC. They have peritonitis and definite ascites so should be present in 3A. And 3B have the same symptoms, BAT, MAT and they have peritonitis and radiological sign is pneumoperitoneum. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe the channel. Okay, bye bye. See you in the next video.